Mr. Formula, representing Wales, Grand Beatbox Battle 2018, looping wildcard submission. Let's go. Microphone in my possession. Microphone, no second guessing. Microphone in my possession. Microphone, no second guessing. Microphone in my possession. Microphone, no second guessing. Microphone in my possession. Microphone, I'm blowing up. Yeah, you're a rap individual, come through with the flow unmistakable. I'm an heavy feed that I hand straight, come right down, control it with the handy. Look, I'm rapping minority languages, big barriers like it ought to be. Thought you'd see emergency, that's my who knew niveau ahi. Unbelievable, tell me about it. Lighting up the mic, no doubt about it. Shout it, do while the drum, I'm bringing the scalability with the dumb, the drum. Intertwine in my mind, appearing in my eyes, I'm harder to find. So bringing the P, you'll be running in blind, and I guess that's the reason I'm still not signed. Microphone in my possession. Microphone, no second guessing. Microphone in my possession. Microphone, no second guessing. Still bringing it hard that I'm mostly city MCs. I'm a starter of a jabra. I'm a matter, rhyme for the hordes with a max stigmata. Play Barbara, you're disposable, coming through my own. You're not so new here, you're not so new. When I don't double rhyme, just so I show you I come on with a lyrical level. Stand up a syllable, a ribbon MC when I come on with a caliber. Keeping it flow with it raw with it. Never ever heard it before with it. Keep it flowing in the outcast style. I'm hidden in the back with the outcast smile. I got a microphone in my possession. Microphone, no second guessing. 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 Microphone in my possession.